Hey guys. So I just want to welcome all of my new subscribers. I think I got like over 30 new subscribers over the weekend. I want to thank you guys for coming on, for, just watching me. Make sure you guys leave me a hey, I'm a new subscriber. If you guys got any questions, definitely let me, know about anything business funding, business credit, personal funding, life insurance, loans, LLCs, taxes, like financial literacy, period. Like anything financial literacy, definitely, holla at me. Also want you guys to take a look at what I am doing. Okay, we have a system called Smart Start, and the Smart Start system is helping us to start smart. Okay, we're giving people a smart start. Okay, it is the number one wealth building platform to help you get your finances in order, your credit, your business credit, starting a business LLC, business funding, lines of credit, loans to your personal, estate planning, wills, health insurance. Like, it's everything, everything you need. We also have attorneys. We also have financial planners. So it's the beginning of 2025, and Trump just got in office. So you can either watch others get paid or get rich, or you can get in position to get rich. I'm only looking for people that either want to fix their finances and make money, or you want to help others fix their finances and make money. So it's either you want to fix your finance, or you want to fix your credit, you want to start you a business, you want to get your LLC, you need some business funding, and you want to make money. Or you're like, my credit's okay. I got a couple million in the bank. I'm making money, but I want to make, some more money, or I'm making six figures and I want to make, some more money, and I want to help other people get themselves in position. Then definitely click on the link below. Definitely click on the link below. Join the Smart Start system, because this thing is going to go viral. We're getting in position. I'm already in position to help people, get money up to $50,000 for their business. I'm already in position to help people get $50,000 in a personal loan. I'm already in position to help people get mortgages. So I'm already in position, and I'm just going to help other people get in position. If you guys go through my channel, all I talk about is making money online. All I talk about is getting yourself in position. All I talk about is cryptocurrency and investing. All I talk about is credit, like everything financial. I work in the schools. I also have a book where I teach adults how to be Amazon influencers, and I also teach children just the basics of understanding money. So if you're a teacher, if you're a principal, if you're a superintendent, and you want your children to learn about financial literacy, I'm the girl for it. So definitely thank you guys for subscribing. Make sure you guys join my list. I send out, you know, every, week or a couple times a week. I send a newsletter out so that you guys can know more about me and know more about what I'm doing. I'm also having a women's event. So my women's event is going to be amazing. We want at least 100 women to come, to the event. And it's going to be all about healing. It's going to be a red carpet experience. It's going to be a formal event. We're going to have pictures. We're going to be doing photo shoots, food, drinks. We're going to have a panel. We're going to have activities. We're going to do a financial literacy lesson. We're going to be honoring people, and we're just going to have a great time. So make sure you guys, definitely come to that, whether you're in the New York area, Washington area, DC area, Philly area, Connecticut area, Jersey area, Long Island area. Get to this event, right? So thank you guys for all of my new subscribers, and I will see you guys on the next video. Peace.